Today, I will show you how to download subtitles from a YouTube video using a Python script. Installing the library. First, let's install the required library that allows us to fetch subtitles from YouTube. Open the terminal and enter. Writing the code. Now, let's create a Python script that extracts the video ID from the URL, retrieves subtitles using YouTubeTranscriptApi, outputs them in a convenient format. Open a code editor and write the following script. Function to extract the video ID from a URL. This function takes a YouTube video URL and extracts its ID using a regular expression. Specify the video link. Retrieve subtitles as a list of dictionaries. Now that we have the subtitles, we can display them in different ways. Each element in the subs list is a dictionary with the following keys: the subtitle text, the start time of the subtitle, the duration of the subtitle display. Now you can work with subtitles and use them in your projects. Good luck!